Hello guys, today I've got the JBL Go 5 speaker and I'm going to show you how to pair it with your Windows PC. You need to at first do the right click on this Windows logo at the bottom of your screen. Here, enter settings. Now, go to the Bluetooth and devices. Here, of course, devices. Now, here click add device. Select Bluetooth. And now take your speaker into your hands. Turn it on using this button. And click this Bluetooth logo over here to enter the pairing mode. Now in the devices section you should see your JBL speaker. Okay, here we've got our JBL Go 5. Click it and now we are done. Goodbye!